Well, good morning, guys. Oh, hang on, it's a little too bright. Come on. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's get the zoom back to 1. Look what I found here. I'm at this place right by the Oakwood apartment. It's very secluded and it has also direct access to Gulf Island. Right over there. As you can see, I can see the pagoda there. And these are the shop houses around. I think I can also access Batavia Cove from here. So yeah, what a perfect drone spot over here. I'm going to show you in a little bit. See there. Oh, really close to aeroplane landing at the airports though, but airport's still pretty far away, more than 10k. And yeah, I could just fly my drone from here, this patch of land over here, and well, slightly dirty, but that's why you have a takeoff pad, right? And reach there, no problem. And we shall do that today. we are done for the day, guys. For some reason, the remote control connection keeps disconnecting when the drone was on top of the bridge. So yeah, I don't know if there is something that interfered greatly with the signal, but yeah, lost connection on my way towards Gulf Island, and then lost another time when I was returning home. I thought, you know, it'll be cool to get a good shot of the bridge from far away. Did manage to get the shot though, as you can see, but yeah, I don't know why once I went near the bridge it just keeps getting disconnected. Yeah, so but after a little bit, you know, after a few seconds it reconnects and I regain control of the drone. But that's it, guys. That's Pancoran area and that nice looking structure, which looks much better at night though, so maybe next time I'll come back, but not so sure if I can find a good spot to shoot that at night, because that place over there was pretty sketchy. A couple of random guys just keep popping up, and I think they're you know, tukang or workers just parking their motorcycles though, and then they just went about to do their business. But still, you know, I was like, whoa, who are these guys? You know, place pretty secluded, so if they want to do something bad, I'll probably wouldn't be able to be discovered. So yeah, I mean, I think I wouldn't be going there again unless I want to get something new, unless there's something new in Gulf Island that I need to reshoot. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, hopefully you enjoy that footage. I did manage to get some footage of Pancoran area last time, but it was from the other side of the bridge. So, but right now you can get a different angle from the angle opposite of where I was taking last time, and it's a little bit brighter today as well, so I think the footage should be much better than the last time I went to Pancoran Peak. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and see you guys again in the next video.